So let's take our e-commerce application, and it's a microservice system. So whenever I add an item to the shopping cart, I want to recalculate the sales tax. So naturally, I have an add item message, and I might have a sales tax message, and I might have a cart microservice, and I might have a sales tax microservice. Works out the details of sales tax. And I know that the invariant in my system is that when I have an add item message, I also have a sales tax message. The count of the messages should be the same. But of course, because of network latency and all sorts of other things, they aren't going to match exactly. And if you trace the number of add item messages and the number of sales tax messages, they're sort of going to correlate, but then you have trends. You can see there's a slight upward trend here as, I don't know, we move towards lunchtime and people are shopping online. But there's an invariant, which is the ratio of the two messages, which should be 1, whether it's midnight or lunchtime or whenever. The invariant is 1. And if that invariant changes, then we know we've broken something in our system. So you don't need to understand formal methods to actually do this, right? There's a practical way to start using these things. You can take the microservice patterns and you can just determine some simple invariants from them. For example, the actor model. Well, you know that 1 over n is the amount of messages that any microservice should see. That's an invariant. It doesn't matter how many messages there are, it doesn't matter how many actors there are. The invariant is easy to describe. The subscriber is pretty much the same, except this time it's n.